Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by making a stable buttercream. Use 2 cups unsalted butter at room temperature, 3 cups powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons heavy cream, and 1 tsp vanilla. Beat the butter 3-5 minutes until pale and light, then add sugar gradually at low speed to avoid dust clouds. Scrape the bowl and increase speed to medium until smooth. Add 1 tsp heavy cream if too stiff, or 1/4 cup more sugar if too soft. Chill 10 minutes for firmer piping consistency. Assemble your tools. Fit a petal tip 104 into a coupler, place a 2-inch parchment square on a flower nail, and prepare a 16-inch pastry bag. Fill the bag halfway to avoid air pockets. Twist the end to maintain pressure and support. Hold the nail between 2 fingers and use your other hand to guide piping. Rotate the nail slowly and consistently while keeping the wide end of the tip toward the base and the narrow edge upward. Overlap petals by about 1/2 inch for natural fullness. Begin on the flower nail by piping a small cone for the center bud. Stop and spin the nail as you build height. Pipe 5-7 inner petals tightly around the cone, angling the tip so each petal overlaps the previous by 1/2 inch. For outer petals, add 2 rows of 8-10 petals each. Flare the petals more and rotate about 15 degrees between petals to create a natural spiral. Chill the finished rows 10 minutes. Then transfer with an offset spatula. Refrigerate up to 2 hours before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.